Welcome to Crochet Jewel channel. I'm going to share with you how to make this crochet ribbed beanie, and I used an H hook medium worsted yarn. The pattern is down below, and if you need help with beginner stitches, there is a playlist for that in the description. And if this is too fast, you can place it in slow motion. And please subscribe if you haven't already. Let's get started. I'm going to slip knot onto my hook, chain 42. This is for an adult size. So yarn over and pull through. I'm going to do a sample of 16. Okay, this is just a sample, but I did a chain of 42, and that's the chain count I would recommend for an adult. And the third chain from the hook, create a half double crochet, yarn over, insert your hook, grab the yarn, yarn over, and pull through 3 loops. Work your half double crochet until you get to your last 5 stitches. Now you are down to your last 5 stitches. You're going to single crochet. This is going to be the top of the hat. It's going to be smaller on the top of the hat, and this is when you take your yarn needle and yarn, and you're going to weave in and out, and I'll show you that later, and you'll pull it closed. Now you're going to chain 1 and turn, and then in the back loop, there's the back loop, and then there's 2 loops. You're going to work your single crochet. The next 5 stitches have a single crochet, so we have 2, and then 3, and then 4, and then 5. And then you're going to half double crochet in the back loop until you get to the end of this row. Make sure you count all of your stitches every time so you don't omit one. You want to make sure you have all of your stitches. So now you're going to chain 1 and turn, then half double crochet in all of these stitches until you get to the next 5, and you can keep track with your last 5 with a stitch marker if you'd like to place a stitch marker here. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can put your stitch marker right here, and then you have the next 5 that will be single crochet. So you have your chain 1, then work your half double crochet until you get to that stitch marker. And then you're going to slip stitch it closed. If it's too tight, then you need more rows. If it's too loose, then you need to omit a row or 2. Okay, you're at your stitch marker. You should have 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Work your single crochet. This is the top of the hat where it does get a little bit narrow. Chain 1 and turn, and just keep repeating. Single crochet in the next 5 stitches until you get to 42 rows. And now you're going to work a half double crochet until you get to the end. Remember to count all your stitches every time so it doesn't get too short. Now chain 1 and turn. and then work your half double crochet. This is the bottom of the hat, and you're going to flip it so you have the brim here. This is the top of the hat. This is just a sample, of course, and you're going to weave in and out, which I'll show you, and then pull it closed, and then this is the rest of the hat here. So I did 44 rows, and I'm going to slip stitch it closed. You can see if this is too big or too small. Of course, if it's too big, then you're going to need less rows. If it's too small, then you're going to need more rows. So go ahead and go to each stitch and match them up and pull your yarn through and slip stitch. Do this all the way until you get to the end. Now you're at the end here, and you're going to slip stitch and pull through. Now you're going to take your yarn needle and your yarn and weave in and out so you can pull this closed at the end. And then I'm going to go back out and then go back in. And then go back out. And you just repeat that back and forth until you get back to the beginning. Just weave in and out. And just repeat that all the way until this beginning part. And now you're going to take your two ends and pull it closed. And you can tie it, secure it with the tie, as well as weaving in your ends. And you're going to want to make this as tight as possible. And you're going to weave in your ends and turn this right side out after you secure your ends. And then do that to all of these ends here. I really hope you enjoyed this crochet hat tutorial. The pattern is down below, and thank you for watching.